Hi, I'm Chef Paul with SearBQ, and today we're gonna do some marinated ribeye steaks. We're gonna make a marinade first, and then we're gonna marinate some steaks. We're gonna grill them, sear them, and then show you guys how to do it at home. So we're gonna start with the marinade. Soy sauce, that's about, I don't know, quarter cup. Balsamic vinegar, the Worcestershire sauce, a little brown sugar, and then olive oil. We're gonna marinate the steaks and then leave them in the marinade for about 24 hours. Then we're gonna wrap them. And we're gonna let them chill overnight. We have these 1-inch thick ribeye steaks. They have been marinated for 24 hours. We set the SearBQ on the grill, and they have risen to 500 degrees. One thing we recommend always using is an oven mitt, a pot holder, to protect you from the heat and you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now that the steaks are on, we're gonna turn the burners under the SearBQ off. We're gonna leave the other two on, so the indirect heat is gonna help us with the evenly cooking of the steaks. And then we set our timer to 4 minutes. So now we're gonna wrap it, some foil, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna check the temperature and make sure that the temperature is right, 140, 145 for medium rare, and then we're gonna cut into it.